Dame June Mariu is a trailblazing manawahine. She was the first Maori to captain the Silver Ferns in the new era of New Zealand netball.
She was a very competitive player. All her skills, her agility, her passion for the game came from being a captain.
Born in 1932, June was raised in Hicks Bay. She was selected into the Ferns from the Auckland provincial side. With June at the helm, 1960 was a historical year for netball, marking the first national team to undertake a full-scale tour and the transformation of how the game is played today.
The number of players changed. The way the game was played changed. Mum just went through with those changes from player to a coach to initiating Māori netball nationally.
She always taught the faking.
And she brought in what they call zoning, and it worked. You know, it was a good defensive tactic.
June also helped to establish the Aotearoa Māori netball tournament and has long held a passion for Māori to compete internationally.
What I'm aiming for, I hope it happens before I die, is that we get a team in the world. And we should have.
Dame June's trailblazing attributes have impacted far and wide across Māori education and her beloved Te Atatū community.
Ana mahi kai roti te kura nei, nāna I whakatū te tahi marae I kone, he maha ana mahi. Mariu and Swafele, koe te kaiarahi o te rā rōpu.
That's always been her passion, is to educate, to assist, to tautoko.
Dame June Mariu, proud to be Māori.